In this video, I'm going to unbox a Redmi earphone which has a high definition dynamic bass. Its cost is 999 rupees. On MI store, you will get it at 499 rupees. So we get three color options in this earphone, which is red, blue, and black. So as per your choice, you can order. You can check the authenticity of the product by scratching this and checking it on MI website. So let's unbox this here. These are the wired earphones from MI. So in this box we get a template which mentions the specification here. So here are the extra ear tab of size medium and large, and this is the earphone which is having 1.2 meters of wire. So this earphone is in red color, and here it is having a L-shaped connector, and the length of the wire is around 1.2 meters. So these earphones look very premium. The earphone is having a metallic finish, as you can see. The ear tip installed with this earpiece is medium size. So as per your convenience or comfort, you can install the ear tips which is extra provided in the package of small and large size. This is the controller, and the wire is made up of normal wire. It's not a braided earphone. If you want to purchase like this product, you can directly purchase it from Amazon or MI store. I have provided the link in the description. These are the very premium finished earphones, and the sound quality of the earphones is also excellent. It also gives a dynamic bass. So if you want to purchase this product, you can directly purchase it from Amazon or MI store. So that's it today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.